This next video we have will either make you salivate or want to vomit. YouTube cooking show Epic Mealtime features a crew of American college graduates cooking hugely unhealthy meals, which often combine meat products and alcohol in catastrophic proportions. Well, one of their videos made it onto Weibo, which shows them making a so-called meat garden out of more meat than you've likely eaten in the past half year. Let's take a look and see what Chinese microbloggers had to say.
Yo, dog, I heard you like dogs, so we put hot dogs in your meat so you can favorite this video. Drumsticks are the root of this meat garden. Flank steak cabbage? You see this shit? We made steak look like cabbage. Smart. Bacon strip tulip. Been seeing this on the net and I thought it needed more meat. And we lit this bitch up.
First up, Zura.
This is so cruel, so cruel. The beef, chicken, hot dogs, they are all my favorite. I suddenly want to live in the US. Then I wouldn't need to eat rice anymore, just meat and Coca-Cola.
Looks like this viewer is tempted. Despite China's cuisine variety and deliciousness, it distinctly lacks large pieces of meat. In Chinese food, meat is usually cut up into smaller parts to give it more flavor and make it easier to eat. So you won't see anything like monster steaks, turkey legs, huge racks of ribs, or anything of that stuff. And now, Weizhi.
I was nauseous when they were cooking it, but the finished meat garden looked very enticing. If you could eat it all, then you definitely never feel hungry again.
And here's another poster who finds the meat garden alluring. Luckily for him, American restaurant chains have rushed to fill the gap, so Chinese can always frequent joints like the Outback Steakhouse, KFC and McDonald's for their calorific or greasy American food. As for meals like Epic Mealtimes though, I'm sure most Chinese would pass. Coming up, acts of goodwill.